Hi guys, this is Vicky from Micron EV. Today I will show you our new electric vehicle, which is approved by EEC L7e certificate. It's certified by EEC L7e CP and have 5 doors, 4 seats. There's ABS, EPS, and energy recycle system with the auto level consumption. The air conditioner is standard Spacious. It has a fast charger and a slow charger. Let's have a look of its inside. The window is electric powered, and if you need, you can install electric adjustable rear mirrors. It's equipped with a 16.2 lithium battery, and the max range is 200.5 kilometers. The steering is a multi-function steering. This is the air conditioner, and there's a 10.3-inch LCD screen, a multi-function screen. It can support more than 100 different languages. You could see there's 4 seats totally. Also, 4 doors. And the space of the car is very large. It has a luggage box. You can see. Yeah, this is the charging gun. This is an adapter for the fast charger. If you want to use the fast charger, you need an adapter from GB to CCS2.